Every single day your legs carry your entire world. But do you ever train the muscles that support your life the most? Squats can change your whole body more than you think. Squats are one of the most powerful exercises for building full body strength because they activate your legs, your core, and even your back together. When you perform squats daily, you force your muscles to adapt, grow, and become stronger over time. This simple move increases mobility, boosts balance, and trains your body to move efficiently in daily life. Daily squats improve lower body power by strengthening your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, which are the main engines of your movement. These muscles support everything from walking to running to climbing stairs, so training them every day creates a foundation for long-term fitness. Strong legs are one of the biggest gifts you can give yourself. Squats also increase your calorie burn because they hit large muscle groups that require more energy. Even a short squat session raises your heart rate and boosts metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even at rest. Over time, this can help reduce body fat and shape a stronger, leaner physique. One of the biggest benefits of doing squats daily is improved posture. Strong legs and core muscles stabilize your spine, allowing your body to stand taller, walk better, and reduce the risk of back pain. Many people sit for long hours every day, and squats reverse the negative effects of this lifestyle by keeping the hips mobile and the muscles active. Daily squats also strengthen your joints by increasing blood flow around the knees and ankles. This prevents stiffness, improves flexibility, and reduces the chance of injuries during everyday activities. With consistent practice, your body becomes more resilient and capable of handling physical stress. Another powerful advantage of daily squats is their impact on mental health. Physical effort releases endorphins that boost mood, energy, and confidence. When you complete a daily squat routine, you don't just train your body, you train your discipline and mindset as well. The beauty of squats lies in their simplicity. You don't need equipment, you don't need a gym, and you don't need extra space. Just your body and a few minutes each day are enough to change your strength, mobility, and energy levels. Even small daily progress adds up to big results over time. If you want stronger legs, better stability, sharper balance, and a healthier body, then daily squats are one of the most effective habits you can develop. Your future self will thank you for taking this simple but powerful step every day.